Cardboard boxes, about this size.
No, I really don't have anything like that.
I can settle down
Don't say really like that.
and be due.
I got a 2 for maths at school. The teacher asked me if I'd studied at home. I said I really had. She said to me, don't say really like that. So you don't have any boxes. That's interesting.
But you gotta understand, when the Lord made me, He made a ram.